Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you quick and easy chicken breast recipe. It's a boneless chicken. I have 4 chicken breasts. I washed it. I'm going to trim the fat and I'm going to cut them into small pieces. Please check it out the description below for the ingredient list. I'm going to use the red pepper, pink salt, New Orleans style seasoning, Chipotle roasted garlic seasoning, garlic powder, ginger powder. I'm going to trim the fat from the side, just like that. And I'm going to make small, nice, thin slices, just like this. When I'm going to mix with the seasoning, and we're going to cook these, and they're going to taste delicious. So I'm going to finish cutting up about this size. All the chicken breasts, I'm going to cut it the same way. All the chicken breasts cut into small pieces, and we're going to use ginger powder, half teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, New Orleans style chicken seasoning, half teaspoon, red pepper, quarter teaspoon, Chipotle seasoning, roasted garlic, 1 teaspoon, pink salt, half teaspoon, olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Get a help of fork and we're going to mix it nicely. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to let it sit on the countertop for 15 minutes. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Keep your gas on high. Chicken breast pieces are marinated for 15 minutes before putting in. Mix it one more time and now we're going to bring into our fry pan. Mix it. On high gas, we're going to cook it until it's fully cooked. So keep turning so it won't get burned. This is how our chicken looks after 1 minute of cooking. I'm going to use a green splatter so the oil won't spray out. 1 more minute of cooking. We're going to make sure that we turn all the chicken pieces over. Cooking for 2 minutes. This is how our chicken looks. After mixing it well, spread it evenly. I'll bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 10 minutes. What I have done after 5 minutes, I opened it and I stirred it once. So another 5 minutes, altogether 10 minutes. Chicken has released all the water. We washed the chicken prior to cutting it. And if we look at the chicken now, chicken is nicely fully cooked. It does not take that long to cook. So now we're going to bring the gas on high and we're going to keep moving until the water dries out. We check all the chicken pieces, they are nicely cooked. We'll take a couple more minutes. Once water dries up, our chicken is ready. Cooking on high gas for 5 minutes. The water has been dried up. Our chicken is ready. I'm going to bring parsley. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. Mix it well. I have my serving plate ready. Quick and easy chicken breast recipe is all ready. Wow, looking so delicious. Boneless chicken breast recipe is ready with Chipotle roasted garlic seasoning, and it's very tasty and very delicious. For the gym guy, this is a perfect recipe and you can serve as appetizer or you can serve any time of the day. Try it, and if you like this recipe, as always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.